Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on high contrast font in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change our font contrast, you have to go to Settings first, then we are looking for Accessibility functions here, and at the top we have Visibility Enhancements. In Visibility Enhancements we have high contrast fonts. So simply just checking this little box here, we can see our contrast changed slightly, especially this gray font turned black. And we have our frame over our white letters. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.